Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sign up to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Google Chrome browser. So right now go to the search bar and search for Wix. Once you do that, hit enter and then click on the first link. After that, you're gonna be right here in Wix. So this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, go here to the top and then you're going to find two options. Log in if you already have an account or get started. So if you want to create a new account, click on get started. And after that, you're going to be here in the sign up page. If you already have an account, you can click on login and log in with your account. So here in the sign up page, you need to fill this form with your email. After that, you need to confirm your email. After that, choose a password and confirm your password. You can also continue with Google, with your Google account, or with your Facebook account. Once you finish, click on sign up, and then you're going to be able to sign up to your account. So right now, I'm going to choose to continue with Google. And then you're going to be logged into your Wix account. So once you're here, in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find create a new site. So go ahead and click on this option to create your first Wix site. After that, you're going to be taken to this page right here. Once you're here, go ahead and click on create on Wix editor. And then you need to set up your site. You can either set it up using AI chat or you can set it up without a chat. So I'm going to set it up without a chat. Right here, you need to choose what type of website you want to create. So for example, I'm going to choose an event site. For example, click on continue. And then just wait for your dashboard to load. Once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. Then right here, as you can see guys, choose a name for the event. So I'm going just to type, for example, tutorial, then click on continue. And then they're going to ask you what type of event are you hosting. I'm going to choose tickets event, for example, click on continue. Then you need to set the time and location. And after that, click on continue. Which tools would you like to add to your website? For example, I'm going to choose to add a CT map. Continue and then continue to dashboard. Once you do that, your dashboard will be updated. And then once you do that, if you want to design your site, just click on design site here in the bottom. And then you can either choose to generate the design with AI or customize a template. So I'm going to pick a template. Choose one from here, click on edit. And then once you're here in the editor, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your site. And once you finish customizing your site, just click on publish and then you're going to be able to go live. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.